So I told my Discord to send me their funniest memes, and if I laugh, I lose. Top 10 girls didn't like me. I have to watch this. Bro, why is it so relatable? God starts with G, and so does gays. Satan starts with S, and so does straights. So who's really going to hell? Rainy Rodriguez, LGBTQ plus ally. I completely agree with this statement. Nobody picks our moms. That is so true. Every second that you're not running, I'm getting closer. Among Us, no one can defeat me. It took me a second to realize it. Paper. What's this?
You guys, I literally took a shit on myself. No more toilet paper. I have to go to Walmart and—
Oh no! You didn't juju on that beat. I must be Rambo, because I don't remember asking. Okay!